Hi, my name is Irina and I am alumni student of Vilnius Business College. I was studying in program Tourism and Event. And this is also me, but 4 years ago, before my study in VVK. At this moment, I didn't have any plans, any life goals, so I just went with it. Here, 1 year ago, my graduation ceremony. I was full of energy, I had many business ideas, my life was totally changed. And now I have my own checklist what I already did during this year. Founded my own agency, built my animation team, provided more than 100 events, collaborated with big association in North Germany Pro Event. Thanks to my education in program Tourism and Event, I got many opportunities in my professional life. And of course, I don't stop. I have a list of my future projects. Work with artists from different countries, improve my professional skills, build a big company in Germany, create a new events program. And from my experience, I can say, don't waste your life. Go and build your future with Vilnius Business College.